How to delete your order history on Amazon. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we will learn how we can delete your order history on Amazon. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, log in into Amazon.com. And here in Amazon, you cannot permanently delete your order history. But what you can do is you can archive your orders to hide them from your main order list. So in order to archive your orders, first from here, navigate to your orders at the top right, click on your orders. So once you're under your orders, you have to look at an order. After that, there you'll have an option as archive order. So click on archive order. Now that will remove your order from your main order history view. Here, archived orders are not deleted. They remain under your order or archive orders and will remain searchable. Since you cannot delete orders completely on Amazon, where it does not have a permanent delete option, your orders archiving will only retires the order from the view and it will still remain in Amazon's record and archive. So that's the only way to hide the order from your main order list by archiving your order. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.